So here we are at our last step in the accounting cycle. We're preparing the post-close trial balance. So what I've brought us back to is all of our T accounts. I've pulled in the journal entries that we talked about in the previous video, and I've posted them to all of my T accounts. So notice my balance and my rent expense is 0, advertising expense 0, supplies expense 0, wages expense 0, and service revenue is now 0. As I'm using Excel, it was also updating the changes in those accounts, and also my drawing account is now 0 as well. So now what I am left with in my post-close trial balance, and I don't have to include these accounts down here on it anymore, is my assets, my liabilities, and my equity. So only these accounts now have balances in my post-close trial balance. My books are closed for the accounting period, and I am ready to start again. My ending balance in my capital account now matches the ending balance on my statement of owner's equity that we prepared in this course.